Hi everyone, okay, good morning. Hope everyone's good this week. This very short lesson is just going to be about the introduction guitar part to Sweet Child of Mine by Guns N' Roses. A very famous lead guitar intro for a song. It also plays on the chorus as well of the song, but it's super famous and it's a little bit of a finger twister, a little bit like a tongue twister. Is difficult to say. Well, a finger twister is a little bit fiddly to play, but it's a good thing to go over and over again for lots of reasons. So I'm going to show you this kind of quick today. And when I play this up to speed, it should be something, roughly, because I'm not that great at it, like this. That's it. Okay, now you can see I'm starting at the 12th fret on the D string. Then I'm moving to the 15th fret, which is quite often another dot there, on the B. And then I'm playing on the 14th, on the 12th, on the G. Okay, so that goes 12 on D, 15 on B, 14 on G, and 12 on G. That's the first half. 1, 2, 3, 4 notes there. Okay. Then the second half of it, that is the same every time we play this around, well, I'd play the 15th on the E string and then the 14th on the G. And then I move my third finger down and play the 14th on the E and the 14th on G. So. So we know that that's 8 notes in total, don't we? And I quite often like to split these kind of things in half. The first half, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Making 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So that's what it does, and it rotates because it does move slightly. So we start on this note at the 12th. Play it twice. But then it's going to do something slightly different. It's going to play it the 14th on the D rather than the 12th fret. It's going to play it the 14th and start there. Okay, we got that. So those 2 times is playing at the 14th fret. The next time around it starts at the 12th fret again, but on the G string. So it would be starting on that note. And then it would go back to the first lot of 2, which is on the 12th fret. Okay, so I'll play that all the way through again, one last time. Now the 14th. Now the 12th on G string. Okay, now really with the plectrum side of it, there's my pick. If you're more comfortable at first, when you're first learning it, you can do it all as down picks. You can see that. But I think as we start to get a little bit quicker with it, it's easier to alternate my picking, which means I'm playing down, up, down, up. Whoa! Hope you got that.